So basically, what we're gonna be building is when you go to forward slash at about, or let me just say forward slash at dev flow, and you enter, you see you're redirected to the dynamic page, which is this one at dev flow, and this is what Instagram uses, and you can type in whatever you like, the username there, and it's going to come here. So in our app, we have a user, which is a dynamic route. We have an about page. We have a user page, a dynamic user page, an about page, and an index page. So what's the problem we're trying to fix? So the problem we're trying to fix is, as we have an about page here, if we go back to our application currently, and currently here, if let me just reload to make sure everything is working properly. So if you go to forward slash about, you can see we're directed to the about page, even though we have a dynamic route, which is the user.view, which can also be shown. So if you go to any other page other than about page, if you go to hello, you can see we get user hello. We're directed to the dynamic page, but if you go to the about page, we're directed to the real about page. So this about page here gets precedence over the dynamic about, the dynamic user page, the dynamic about page. So we are shown this whenever we go to forward slash about instead of being shown this. So when we come here to the Nuxt documentation, you can see we can define a specific path, so we can pattern match this and in our page, and it should work. Now I've done this before, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So basically what we want to do is come here and say define page matter, define page matter. We want to pass it a path property, and this path property, you can see already getting suggestions for this. If you save this, technically if you go back to our page, we're still going to get the same thing. Even if we come to the about page here, we're still going to get the about page, but that's not what we want. We want to define a specific pattern to match, so we can get this dynamic user page even if we're going to an about route. So I already have a regex done for us here. You can see it matches the ad which Instagram uses. So let me just copy this and go back to our app, and after you want to paste this after the forward slash this user, you want to paste this like so. And if we save, we go back to our page and we add an ad before this about, we're gonna get an error. We're gonna get an error. But I wanted to get the error so I can show you, what to look out for. So if I go to 3000 forward slash at, and we load page not found, we get page not found. Why is that? Is because we need to escape this backslashes. So what we want to do is add another backslash to this backslash. So add another one there and add another one there, and you can save. If we save and we come back to our page and we reload, you can see we're getting the normal route. Now even if we go to forward slash at about, we'll get at about. And to go to the about page, we have to specifically go to about. And now that this dynamic page now has a dedicated page, a dedicated path using this ad, and we don't have to worry about conflicts with other pages anymore. So that's that about pattern matching in Nuxt.js.